Hello, my name is Frédéric Lassab. I'm in charge of this module, and today we start with the first part of the indoor positioning system lecture. So we'll cover the solutions and the introduction, then the measurements for Wi-Fi positioning system, and then we'll talk about GNSS-like systems. To introduce this subject, first, I want to emphasize the spreading of mobile terminals that we've seen on the past few years. So there are more and more mobile terminals, from mobile phones and computers to Internet of Things objects. So they have more and more computational capability, autonomy, storage, and a reduced weight. And they are connected to wireless networks which are largely available with a high throughput. With all those properties, we can provide rich applications with multimedia content to the mobile devices. These services are provided according to a mobile terminal location and in mobility. Thus, there are context-aware applications which are provided on the mobile location through the network access node. These kind of applications provide new problems too. So you have first to position the device, so it's to determine its location geographically. Outdoors, it's easy with GNSS systems such as the GPS, while indoors you have no positioning system widely available. Then on mobile services, you provide multimedia contents which are real-time and for which the services interrupts are visible. So you have to ensure service continuity, in particular by managing the handoff of the mobile device.